Welcome to Health Alert Remedies. Today we're diving into an ultimate home fitness routine that will help you get fit without stepping foot in a gym. Whether you're short on time, prefer the comfort of your own space, or simply want to save on gym membership fees, we've got you covered. Let's start with the basics. An effective home workout routine should include exercises that promote strength, endurance, flexibility, and balance. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment to achieve all this. First up, let's talk about strength training. Bodyweight exercises are fantastic for building muscle and can be done anywhere. Push-ups are a classic. They work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you're a beginner, you can start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Next, we have squats. They're excellent for your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping your back straight, and lower yourself as if you're sitting in a chair. Don't forget to engage your core. Try to do 3 sets of 12 to 15 squats. For core stability, plank holds are your best friend. They strengthen not just your abs but also your back and shoulders. Hold a plank position for 20 to 30 seconds. Over time, try to increase your hold. Now, let's move on to aerobic exercises, which are crucial for your heart health. You can do jumping jacks, high knees, or even a brisk walk or jog in place. Aim for at least 20-30 minutes of this type of exercise several times a week. Don't forget about flexibility. Incorporate stretches into your routine. Simple stretches for your arms, sides, and legs can improve your flexibility and prevent injuries. Finally, remember to listen to your body. It's important to start slow and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Consistency is key, so try to dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to your fitness routine, adjusting to your own level and schedule. Thank you for watching. Ultimate Home Fitness Routine. Get fit without the gym. If you found this home fitness routine helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Alert Remedies for more health tips and wellness advice. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue bringing you valuable content. Stay fit, and see you next time.